Good evening, Karatekas. This video was taken last year. We are practicing how to kick Megiri front snap kick. The ball of the foot is being used to reach the target. When you kick, you must push your hips forward and execute the kick. Make sure you are in balance. The balance leg must firm to the ground to produce power and speed. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel Karate for All TV. Us